Okay, here we are. We are all ready for our Christmas lunch. And the soup is on the stove, just heating through. Ian made these wonderful little baguettes. For our crudité platters. There's the soup. And here's the table, all set. Stuff out on the tray already. It has to sit, it should really sit out and come to room temperature. Some grapes, and some mustards. That's a sweet, or a spicy red chili pepper. This is a spicy oil that one of Ian's friends made. It's supposed to be fiery hot, so if people want to put that on their minestrone soup, they can. I won't be. We have the fire going. Christmas tree is lit up. Now we just have to wait for our guests to arrive. See you later. Bye. Oh. Well, there's our first holiday luncheon done, Ian. Was it a success?
It was a success.
I think it was a success too. Everybody seemed to have a good time.
Yep.
Ian's cleaning up. Got much left to do, Ian?
No, actually, I'm getting down there. I got past the worst of it, the things that you got to make sure you don't break.
It's a good idea.
Special glasses and bowls.
Very good idea. Now we're just waiting. I'm going to go and change into my pajamas.
Yeah.
And wait for the snowstorm. December 10th. It is 10 to 10. First and foremost, I want to wish my Nana a very happy 115th birthday. As I have posted in the past, and probably around this time of year, my Nana is constantly with me, and she's always a little angel. I don't believe in angels, but if there was angels, Nana would be right here. So yeah. So happy birthday, Nana. I love you. We had a lovely time yesterday with our friends, John and Kate, and the soup was delicious. Lots of comments on my minestrone soup. Something so comforting, I guess. Maybe that's what it is. It was very comforting. And the charcuterie board, table, and stuff was very welcoming as well. Everybody enjoyed that. I did buy a lactose-free brie, and it was very good. I was very surprised by it. It, of course, was not as creamy and as as dairy brie, but it was more of a camembert texture. But I liked it, and it was really nice to be able to eat it and not have to worry about it upsetting me. As you can see, the snow has started, and it is supposed to snow all day. Supposed to get this snow flurries this morning, and then this afternoon it is supposed to turn into heavy snow. And I just realized that Mr. Easter Island Man does not have his Santa hat on. Oh, I might have to just change that today too. Oh. So this morning I am making fudge, and I am making the fastest fudge, I think, in all of the world. It's a 3-ingredient fudge. 3 cups of chocolate chips, a can of sweetened condensed milk, and 2 tablespoons of butter. And you melt that, and you put it in a pan, and you let it harden. And my idea this year is this is going to be my my gift for the neighbors this year. I don't think I did it last year. And I've never done fudge. It's always hard to find something, I find, to give to, because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, probably about 6 or 7 houses that I give to because they've got kids. So it's always hard to figure something out that doesn't take a lot of work and investment time, especially at this time of year. And this fudge takes no time at all to do. Like I say, you melt it on top of the stove, You plop it in your pan and you let it sit up, and you probably get maybe 36 pieces. I might have to do an extra pan, but that will be no big deal to do. And then I wrap it up and then Secret Santa it to the door stops. And this year I'm going to put a little note in it. And yeah, because even though you're Secret Santa, you know, it might want to, especially if it's a home-baked something, they might want to know who it comes from. So that's the plan for this morning, is to make that. I'm making chili for supper tonight, because it's a chilly kind of day. Chili, not a C-H-I-L-L-Y, although it is chilly that way, but a C-H-I-L-I kind of day. So there are my things to do today. Yep, it's a good list. It won't all get done, I know, but most of it will, because it is all little things, but it just depends on when I run out of steam. So Norman is all ready to make fudge, so I guess we better get on with it. Not sure if the snow has stopped. I don't think it has. Let's see. Nope, it's still snowing. And yeah, the street's looking very Christmassy. People have their Christmas lights up. I can hear people shoveling too. Okay, in to have our chili.